Marcus from Pan American Seed here today with Solarscape Impatience, the first and only interspecific impatiens from seed on the market. You can see here a range of colors that it comes in, bright tropical colors all the way down to whites. And this is an interspecific impatiens, meaning there's multiple species in there that makes it quite durable and utilitarian in the garden. The fact that it can handle full sun and really loves full sun and can handle shade applications as well. It's a great place to put it in the landscape, in-ground performance, to fill beds with lots of color. It also is really happy in a hanging basket or mixed container. Now here we have Solarscape XL Pink Jewel, and I want to mention this one in particular because this past year it was an All-American Selections winner for both in-ground and container performance. Now this is a bright pink, almost a Barbie pink color, if you will, large habit, very floriferous, ideal for in-ground or containers. That's XL Pink Jewel. Now, impatiens in general have a tendency to be a little sassy if you forget a watering. If you go away for a weekend and come back, you may see a little something like this where that plant's dried down, maybe a little wilty. The beauty of Solarscape is that after a dry down like this, give them a quick water and they will bounce back without aborting flower buds, so you can continue to enjoy those plants as the season goes on. Now find Solarscape at your favorite local garden center.